Hello everyone, I am EmaanRad. First of all, I would like to thank Saudi Digital Academy and their good team and the instructor, Jerry Mears, for your effort and cooperation. I will going to show you here the design of electronic banking system. As we know, electronic banking system, it has two paths. One of them is centralized banking, and the other one is decentralized banking. I am here focusing on decentralized banking because when we are thinking about how we can trust our ledger, so the centralized banking, they are saving our information and private key as third party. But the decentralized banking, where we are saving our private key. So here the design of my decentralized system. So you can control your vault through digital signature. And the digital signature here is looking like the password. This password in the decentralized system is called digital signature. The concept here in digital signature is looking like when you have checkbook, like every time you write the signature in the check, in every time of transaction process. So the point here, and every time when you have the transaction process, the digital signature here, we have the equation here, the private key and the message will change every time when we are trying to send through the public key. Because we deal with the complete stranger and we don't know with who we deal with it. So you never want to reveal paths that could be copied and reuse it by someone else. Okay, let's back to our process here. We have digital signature. The digital signature is create our private key. And our private key here in the system is looking like the password. Every user have it. And the signature here is the proof to pass any process you want. The other path here is verify your public key. To verify your public key, you need your signature and the message and the public key of the sender. So we are using here the public key like the address of the other site. So in general, to use digital signature here, the point is to secure our electronic communication from any hacker. To complete our process to make our transaction, we need to present the accumulation of the data of research in cryptography and distributed system, and that includes the 4 key invitation when it's bound together in a unique and powerful combination. One of them is the protocol peer-to-peer network. The other one is using the public transaction ledger, and we called it here the blockchain. The other one is called it distributed mining, where the decentralized mathematical and deterministic currency, we have it here. And the last is decentralized transaction verification system, where we can see our transaction script. So the peer-to-peer network is about network of grouping computer, each of which act like a node for sharing file within group. After that, it's going with the exchange. I can exchange my currency to USD, dollar, through the ATM. So the decentralized mathematical, here the distributed mining, the point we got here is verify the transaction. To verify our transaction to get the proof of work, a proof of work through the hashing power calculate. And to add a new ledger and share this ledger, this process is called mining. Through the block here, we can add a new block to the chain. Through the hashing power calculated proof of work, we got new block mined and broadcasted through the network. So the point here to use the miner is to secure our system against the fraudulent transaction and to secure from the double spend. At the end, to spend money, you must prove that you are the true owner of the public key address where the money was sent. And to verify that, you need to generating your digital signature from the transaction message. Where it's going to the other node network can use it that signature in different function to verify that. So that is the conclusion of my schema design, where we are looking for the decentralized system to make our transaction and get benefit from the Internet of Things, where it is everything and anything. Thank you for listening.